Hello friends, in this video I hope to explain how to create meter chart in Microsoft Excel. First of all, I will show what is the meter chart. You can see there is a performance score value here and there are some gradings here. I can change this meter needle by changing this performance score value as per these gradings. I changed this performance score as 45. You can see chart needle change to red color, and I again change this performance score as 50. You can see needle go to the yellow color, as well as when needle go to the average, you can see this smiley face change accordingly. I change performance score value as 75. You can see meter needle go to the good light green color and smiley face change as performance score. Again I change performance score as 95. You can see meter needle go to the best dark green color and smiley face change accordingly. You can use this type of meter chart in your dashboard presentation to show your data attractively and clearly. Now you can see how to create this type of meter chart. I have already created charts, so I copy this performance score value and grading chart to new Excel sheet. When you creating new chart, you can type these two charts manually. First of all, I need to remove the grid line of Excel sheet. Go to the view and remove the grid line tick. Now I need to add chart to the Excel sheet. Go to the insert and chart, click this donut chart. You will receive blank donut chart. Now I select the data series, right click here, go to the select data series, add new, keep series name as blank and type series value 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5. Now click OK. Again OK. You will receive this type of chart. Again right click here and select format data series. Give the angle of the data series as 270 and this value as 35%. Donut chart change as below. Again right click here, go to format data series, fill, give the no fill. Now I need to change chart outline. Select the chart, format, outlines, give this outline and outline color, give white. Now I need to add the colors to chart. Select first part, go to the shape fill, give dark red color. Now I need to give the gradings, this grading. Second part, give red color and need to give the gradings, these gradings. Next part, give orange color and need to give the gradings, this grading. Light green color and need to give the gradings, this grading. Last part, dark green color gradings, this grading. Now I need to add needle to this chart. There are 5 parts in this chart. If you consider full chart is 100%, one part should be 20%. Chart needle should place in middle of each part. So I will give 10% in first cell. Equal, select 10% plus 20%. Enter. Drag down. Now I am going to write VLOOKUP function equal VLOOKUP. Select the lookup value as this performance score and table array as this chart and column index 2, 1. Select the true. Selected performance value is 95, so I have received answer as best. Again write the VLOOKUP function. Lookup value, this value. Select the table array. Column index 3, 1. Truth. I need to keep this value as percentage 90%. I write another function %, next cell, equal 200% minus sum of these two values. Right click here, select data series, add new, keep data series name as blank and select the series value as these 3 values. Okay, you will receive this chart. Right click here, change chart type, go to the pie chart and select this pie chart. Okay, again right click here, format data series and angle of first slice should be 270 and select secondary axis. Again right click, format data series, fill, no fill. Right click here, format data series, fill, no fill. Now you have received needle of chart and need to give the color to needle. Select the needle, format, shape fill and give the black color. Now I change performance score value. You can see chart needle change according to performance score value. Now I need to add grading names to chart. Go to insert and select this shape. Select the shape color as black and shape outline black, shape effect this effect. Now I need to add grading names to the chart. Add text box. First grading name worst. Text box color should be black and outline should be black, and I'll give white color for text. You can add other grading names like this. If you think this video important to you, please click the below red color button and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for future videos. Now I need to add middle shape of chart. Go to the insert, shapes, these shapes. Give the shape color as black and shape effect this effect. Now I am going to add this smiley face to the chart. Type capital L here and give the font name as Windings. Now you will receive beautiful smiley face. Drag down, delete these 3 cells and type capital K here and capital J in these 2 cells. Now again write the VLOOKUP function. Lookup value, select this performance score value as lookup value and select the table array as this table and column index 4, 1. Give the lookup range as true. Again you should give the font name as Windings. And you can change the color and size of this smiley face. And now we are going to give the conditional formatting to this smiley face. Go to the conditional formatting and new rule. Select format only cell that contain and give equal to type capital L, format, give the bold and give the color as red. Okay, again go to the conditional formatting, new rule, select format only cell that contain, give equal to type capital K and format, give the bold, format, give the color as yellow. Okay, again go to the conditional formatting and new rule, select format only cell that contain, give equal to type capital J, go to the format, bold and give the color as green. Now you can copy this smiley face and go to the paste special, give link picture. Now you can drag this image, keep here. Now we have finished the chart. We can check now. You can see when I changing this performance score value, meter needle change accordingly, as well as smiley face change according to the performance score. Thank you very much. Now you can show your performance by adding this kind of chart in your Excel dashboard and presentations.